Good morning. Today is my weekly gym session. I probably should do more, but I do it once a week, and I've been doing it for a fair few months now, so I wanted to kind of share my progress and share some tips with Scott, my trainer, and he is a cycling specific workout, what do you call them, like personal trainer. So he has got like really good tips on like what you can do to improve your cycling, and just to kind of look at where I've come from, where I am now, and also things that you can do that are going to help you. So I reckon we'll just head in now, have a chat to him, get on with my session, and just share a few little tips. If you've got any tips as well, leave them in the comments below. I'm also going to put Scott's details in the description box if you're interested in what he does, where he is. Yeah, I'm in Lim, I don't want to mention that. So yeah, let's go. Greetings!
Oh,
What's in the bag?
what's in the bag?
What's in the bag?
It's off. Oh, it's off.
Oh, it said piss off.
No, I said, what's that off?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, it's in
What?
Silence of the Lambs, isn't it?
What is it? Oh, Tish. I'll put it on. Straight.
The right side.
Oh, I'll try it. Let's get it on. Are you sure?
Yeah.
I like that.
T-shirt friends.
T-shirt friends. Oh, look at that. Perfect.
20 days since your last session.
20 days?
4th of January.
Oh no. No wonder my booty's going. Oh, did you hear that? I did a squat and my legs all cracked.
If it's something, I didn't realise that wasn't good.
What do you need to do first? Roll?
Yeah, rubble roll.
Is that flattering angle?
Of course.
I want you to know, kinda hard to show, but you're all I ever wanted. It's on your lips, they feel.
Should get the 50s out just so you can feel it. That's ding ding round 3.
I can't forget it. I'm feeling it's on your lips, they feel electric. It's on my mind.
Come down.
Can't forget it. I'm feeling
Your friends.
Twins. So I've just finished the session now, and here's Scott.
Hello.
And yeah, we just wanted to have a quick chat because I've been coming here for 5 months. I think.
5 months, August, yeah.
I just wanted to have a chat to you about some tips for you if you are wanting to do some strength training to kind of push on your cycling, but also for you to kind of look at how I've progressed in that 5 months.
Yeah.
So just tell us a little bit about what I've been doing.
So we had to regress quite a few things. So a standard program that I'll kind of begin most people with. You struggle on a couple of movements, mainly the hinge and the hip. So we've had to strip that back a wee bit. We practiced on the ones we didn't need on the floor. We were doing those ones, and slowly build that back up. So you're almost there now. So you're doing the kettlebell ones. So we're almost there. You're feeling it in the right areas.
Yeah.
It's moved on. Similarly, I think most of the things you've struggled with have been not lifting the weights. It's coordination, and mobility and flexibility.
Yeah.
So on split squat ones, I remember you messaged me after the first session, days you could barely walk,
Yeah.
which is what you obviously don't want. I mean, with most people, we don't get soreness like that. But I think you experience a lot of tightness through those areas.
But I've not done anything. Well, this is the thing. Some people will do bits and bobs. I've done no strength training at all. This is like the very start.
So yeah, but again, so you're lifting reasonable weights with us now for quite a lot of reps per side. So we've just slowly chipped away and laid things on, brought a couple more reps here, a little bit more weight there, progress the complexity of the exercise on, just chip, 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 chip.
I think that was the thing, is when I started, I expected to maybe be doing like all these heavy weights and like, I don't know, and I didn't mention this in the first video that we did together, that actually the actual sessions, they're very like doable. They're not like, I don't know what the word is, and I think that's what you say is better, isn't it? Doing small...
It's kind of planned, so I mean, you tell me, you never felt, oh my god, that's hard, I can't do that. You never sort of hobbled out of here, struggled to get down the stairs, and that's hard. But if we track your progress, if we'd done at the beginning what you're capable of doing now, you would have felt like you wouldn't be able to move. So the whole idea is that you can continue to ride, you can do it alongside your riding, but you steadily get better.
And this is the program that you, well, part of it is what you would use for British cycling riders when you work for British cycling?
Yeah, so many of the endurance riders we kind of worked with towards the end of the time at British cycling, they went through this pretty much the same program.
And so what tips would you have for people if they're at home or if they're wanting to get into strength training? What would be like a couple of tips that you could give them?
Well, the main one is, like we just talked about there, so the temptation is to dive into the deep end and take it to the max.
Yes.
So we've worked on what we call RPE quite a lot, rate of perceived exertion, so a score out of 10. And I've said, let's look for a 5 out of 10. It's quite doable, quite easy. And as you get better, just chip it away. So I guess the message is long-term consistency.
In small increments, rather than just like a month of hammering it and then not being able to do anything.
So we don't want that short-term intensity, we want that long-term consistency.
So that's the main tip then, isn't it? Really?
That's the one.
Perfect. So I'll put all sorts of details in the description if you're interested. And yeah, thank you so much. We'll keep you updated as to how I'm getting on, how it's helping my cycling, and.
Just from me, on the last video we kind of briefly did together, there was quite a lot of questions in the comments.
Yes.
If anyone's got any specific questions, then I'd be more than happy to answer them.
I put your email as well if you want to do that.
I think maybe we talked about doing a live video or something like that.
Yes.
So if
Maybe
anyone's
do a
interested
live
in that,
like Q&A or something, yeah. That'd be good.
more than happy.
Farewell. Bye! Twinning! In fact, look, stand up. We've both got like black Nike trousers and a Fast Fit Strong t-shirt. Perfect.
Just see our belly button.
Ace. Thank you so much.